Hi everybody, welcome back to the Nails channel. This is part 2 of our previous video. So first of all, I'm going in with a layer of base coat, popping this in the lamp and curing it for 60 seconds. Giving all of these nails a wipe down with some gel residue and a lint-free wipe, ready to start our design. Now for the first colour we're going to be going in with, it's Chestnut Wood. Taking a long thin liner brush and just painting a little French tip. When I'm painting a French tip, I always like to take a little step back from my work, making sure both sides are even. And here I am doing the same exact step on the thumb. And making sure we've got a nice clean smile line. For this next step, I'm going in with sheer Elegance and a dotting tool, and we're creating those viral polka dot Frenchies that everybody has been having. Now I'm going to take Clear as Day Builder Gel and Serious Black. I'm going to mix those together and I'm going to buff over the surface of the nail because we're going to be applying chrome, and as you all might know, chrome sticks to anything with a shiny or tacky surface. Now I'm taking the Clear as Day and Serious Black mix and drawing on my design on the nail. I'm then going to pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Onto the pointer finger, I'm going to use the same black and builder mix. I'm creating some 3D dots and just dragging it down. Here I'm just going in with a clean-up brush with a little bit of acetone and perfecting those lines. Giving those 3D bits a wipe down with gel residue and a lint-free wipe. Now I'm going in with Serious Black and just painting over those 3D lines we've just created. Personally, I think that chrome sticks better to black, so when I'm using chrome, I always like to put black down, cure it, and then buff the chrome powder into the black cured gel polish. Just take your time with this because wherever the black goes, the chrome also follows. And again, if you make any mistakes, you can always use a little bit of acetone on a clean-up brush. Now we're going in with our beautiful gold chrome pigment powder and a little eyeshadow applicator and just buffing that into the cured black gel polish. Dusting away any excess with a dusting brush. Now we're going to use Starfruit, which is one of our jelly polishes, as our base. Going in with a really thin layer of blooming gel. I do find that the thinner the layer, the better effect you get, and it doesn't end up making the nail bulky at the end of it. Now I'm just dabbing over some of our Chestnut Wood. This doesn't have to be perfect. Curing for 60 seconds before another really thin layer of blooming gel. We're going to follow this with some serious black, just over where we put the Chestnut Wood, but so you can still see the Chestnut Wood poking out from underneath. This is what's going to give us our tortoiseshell effect. And to finish off that tortoiseshell, we're going to go in with a mixture of Starfruit and Chestnut Wood and just painting that over the whole design. Now I'm going in with top coat over the whole design. I do always like to do 2 layers of top coat over chrome. I just think it always lasts a bit better. Now I'm using Clear as Day Builder to stick on some of our metal nail decals. And lastly, we're going in with some pink pineapple cuticle oil just to rehydrate those cuticles. And that's it done. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't watched part 1 of the prep, make sure to go and watch that now. As always, thank you for watching. Comment down below what you think.